Over the years, I've had probably 8 different companies send me knives to do a review on. I haven't really done anything with them yet because I wasn't really that impressed. Until now. This is the Nakano knife. It's a Santoku knife from Japan. And unlike the chef knife that originated in Germany and France, this comes from Japan, made with Japanese hardened steel. But it's the quality of the steel that helps it retain its sharpness. This knife is lighter than the chef knife and very well balanced. It still has the rounded edge for rocking cuts back and forth. And for goodness sake, if you're going to invest in one good knife, make sure you keep it in a knife block. If you don't have a knife block, you can keep it in the box it comes in. Now you can use any knife you like, but if you want to keep that sucker sharp as shit, you want to use a honing steel every time you use it. Now to see how to use a honing steel or to sharpen your knives, check out our knife sharpening video at the end of this video. I've placed a link in the description of this video on how you can obtain your Nakano knife. Just make sure you use the Kroger Culinary 411 promo code so you can save on your knife. And with your promo code, it's under 80 bucks. That's a great value for something you're going to use every day. I love this knife. It's definitely a keeper.